Hello everyone, I am Kalyani. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make masala fish fry. Preparing the fish. For today's recipe, I am using tilapia fish. Since my kids don't like fish head, I am going to cut the fish head and tail off. Clip the fins and discard them. Depending on the fish size, make 3 to 5 slits on both sides of the fish. This will allow the fish to absorb more spices and flavors. Wash the fish with warm salt water and pat dry. Rub the fish with 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon oil. Now let's look at the ingredients required for fish fry. Garam masala powder, red chilli powder, mint leaves, turmeric powder, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, salt, coriander powder, vegetable oil. Preparing marinade for fish fry. Add 1½ tablespoon of red chilli powder, salt as required, quarter tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped mint leaves, quarter tablespoon of garam masala powder, 2 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of oil, mix all the ingredients. Coat the fish on both sides evenly with marinade. Apply the marinade inside the fish. Stuff marinade on both sides in the slits. Marinate fish for 1 to 2 hours in the refrigerator. Now let's start frying the fish. Take a braiser or a non-stick frying pan. Heat the pan over medium heat. Make sure pan is well heated before you add oil. Now add 150 to 200 ml of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, gently place the fish into the pan. Let's pan fry fish on one side until the fish turns into golden brown. Here I am using two utensils to turn over. Gently turn over the fish and finish frying another 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the fish from oil and place it on kitchen towel or paper towel to remove excess oil. Serve the fish with fresh vegetables or with salad or with rice. Please give it a try. Hope you like it. See you next time.